There are several types of pizza peels and each one has its own benefits, based on the material, size and handle. Here's a breakdown of the best types of pizza peels for various needs. Wooden pizza peels are the traditional choice and are great for launching raw pizzas into the oven because dough is less likely to stick to the wooden surface. Wood peels have a flat, smooth and gentle surface. So they won't tear or damage the dough when you're transferring it into the oven. Wooden peels often look attractive too and can double as serving boards. If you look after them, they will not warp or crack over time. Just clean them straight after use and dry thoroughly. Don't place them in the dishwasher or leave them in water. These peels are perfect for launching pizzas into the oven, especially for beginners or those working with high hydration doughs. Metal pizza peels are great for turning the pizza. These peels are lightweight, durable and ideal for retrieving and turning pizzas in the oven. Aluminium heats up faster than wood, so you need to be cautious when handling it, especially if it's been sitting near the oven. Perforated pizza peels have holes in the peel surface that allow excess flour to fall through during retrieval and baking. Perforations reduce the surface area the dough can stick to and also allow the excess flour to fall off. By removing the excess flour, you avoid burnt spots on the pizza crust and achieve a crispier bottom. The holes allow the heat from the stone to continue cooking the base of the pizza as you rotate it, and they also prevent moisture from accumulating against the metal. So which are the best types of peel for launching and turning pizza? For launching pizza, a wooden peel in my opinion is best for transferring raw dough into the oven. Because the dough sticks less to wood, particularly with semolina. For turning and retrieving pizza, a perforated metal peel is ideal to ensure even cooking. Short handles are ideal for home ovens or 12-inch pizza ovens. And the longer handled peels are necessary for larger, high-heat wood-fired or gas ovens. Where you need to keep your hands and arms away from the intense heat. Turning peels are necessary for precise pizza control. And each type of peel mentioned has its strengths depending on your pizza style, oven type, and specific needs during the pizza making process. Having both a wooden and metal perforated peel gives you the best tools for launching, turning and retrieving pizzas. You will be making and cooking perfect pizza every time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. And thanks for watching. Bye!